Slide 1, Start. In the shadowy realm between what we know and what we imagine lies the fascinating territory of future predictions. I'm your host, and today we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through time, examining the scientific prophecies that could reshape our world. Before we peer into tomorrow's mysteries, let's acknowledge our complicated relationship with prediction. In 1900, leading thinkers believed that flying machines were impossible. 50 years later, some claimed computers would never weigh less than 1.5 tons. How beautifully wrong they were. Today's predictions aren't mere guesswork. They're calculated projections based on data, trend analysis, and scientific understanding. Yet even now, we stand at the edge of a precipice, gazing into a future that shimmers with both promise and uncertainty. Let's begin with our near-future horizon, 2025 to 2035. Artificial intelligence is poised for a transformation that will challenge our very understanding of consciousness. We're seeing the first tremors of this change already: neural networks that dream, algorithms that create, machines that learn from their mistakes. In biotechnology, we're approaching what scientists call the biological revolution. CRISPR technology is evolving rapidly, promising not just to cure genetic diseases, but to enhance human capabilities in ways previously relegated to science fiction. Climate adaptation technologies are accelerating at a dizzying pace. Predictions suggest that by 2035, we'll see cities that breathe, buildings that photosynthesize, and forests that communicate with our digital networks. Moving into the mid-future, 2035 to 2050, transportation stands on the brink of revolution. Imagine roads that charge vehicles wirelessly, flying taxis weaving between buildings, and hyperloop networks connecting continents. Medical science predictions for this period are nothing short of miraculous. Nanobots coursing through our bloodstream, organs printed on demand, and the potential to reverse aging at the cellular level. Space colonization initiatives will likely bear their first fruit in this period. We're not just talking about moon bases or Mars outposts. We're looking at asteroid mining operations and the first permanent human settlements beyond Earth. Quantum computing will emerge from its infant stage, potentially solving problems that would take classical computers millions of years. The implications for encryption, drug discovery, and climate modeling are staggering. As we venture into the far future, 2050 to 2100, the predictions become more profound and more uncertain. Human enhancement technologies might blur the line between biological and digital existence. Environmental restoration technologies could give us the power to control weather patterns, reverse desertification, and perhaps even terraform other planets. The question isn't if we can do it, but if we should. The concept of an interplanetary civilization moves from science fiction to scientific probability. Solar sail spacecraft, fusion-powered vessels, and space elevators could make space travel as common as air travel is today. The technological singularity, that mysterious point where artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, looms on the horizon. Some predict it will occur by 2045, others push it further into the future. But what about the wild cards? Those paradigm-shifting discoveries that could rewrite all our predictions. Consider the impact of discovering extraterrestrial life, achieving cold fusion, or developing consciousness transfer technology. Unexpected technological convergences could create entirely new fields of science. Imagine quantum biology merged with artificial intelligence, or psychogenetics combined with neural engineering. As we conclude our journey through tomorrow's possibilities, remember this: the future isn't a destination we're traveling toward, it's a reality we're actively creating. Every scientific breakthrough, every technological innovation, every choice we make shapes the world to come. The most thrilling aspect of these predictions isn't their accuracy or inaccuracy, it's the window they provide into human potential. As you leave this lecture, ask yourself, what future will you help create?